Did you know that a sauce manufacturer enjoyed over $10,000 of savings by using Doran 2200 scales? Not too long ago, a manufacturer of spaghetti sauces and other cooking sauces turned to Doran Scales for a solution to increase the accuracy, accountability, and management oversight of their automatic batching. The company was using an older process control indicator which relied on the mixing operator to manually key in the target weights for each ingredient to be automatically dispensed. The company realized that the recipes were not being followed. Batch consistency varied considerably from batch to batch, and inventory usage always was incorrect. As a result, the company lost hundreds of dollars a month due to bad batches that were either thrown out or sold as seconds. The solution was found utilizing the Doran 2200 digital weight indicator with relays and Ethernet option. The scale system worked using the following setup. Scale memory was utilized to store batch recipes and target weights. These recipes are password protected, so the correct entry of target weights is no longer dependent on the mixing operator. Existing recipes may be modified and new ones created by using the Doran Dimension scale setup program and communicating to the 2200 indicator over the company computer network. The mixing operator presses the start button and is prompted to enter the product code for the batch to be created, and then is prompted for an employee ID and batch lot ID. After this information is entered, that batch recipe is recalled from memory, and the Doran 2200 scale controller automatically measures out the ingredients. At the end of the batch, data is automatically sent over the Ethernet network to the Doran Excelerator Data collection program, which creates a detailed batch report and ingredient usage in a spreadsheet program. The return on investment for this system was less than 6 months. After using this system for 1 month and tracking the production data to compare the previous month, the Doran 2200 batch control system increased yield by 1.5%. This small investment resulted in a significant increase in profitability and efficiency. The product savings for the year was over 93,000 pounds. Total money savings for the year was $10,800. The return on investment for this system was realized in just a few months, and as a result, the net one-year effect on profit margin, the total one-year savings minus weighing equipment and installation costs, was over $8,000. These numbers are impressive. Are you in a similar industry? Do you think your food processing or ingredient batching system could be improved? Please contact the Central Carolina Scale Sales Department at 919-776-7737 or complete our Request a Quote form on our website.